Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome to Baking with Miss Bekah. Except today we're not baking. We are going to make one of my favorite quick lunchtime items because I figured everybody's eating at home now and you could be starting to run out of ideas, and this is super fun, super easy to make. So we're gonna actually make chicken salad today. And so yeah, let's get started. All right, so before we start making our chicken salad, what is the first thing we need to do? Do you know? It's the thing we do whenever we start to cook or bake. That's right, we need to wash our hands first. So let's go ahead and move over to the sink and we'll start washing our hands so we can get started. So as you can see, I have everything I need right here. I have my bowl, I have some mayonnaise, a block of cream cheese, and 2 cans of chicken. You can use one of those bigger cans of chicken that you can find at like Walmart and stuff, or you can use just one of these small ones if it's just for you. That's whatever you prefer. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and open up my cream cheese, and then I'm gonna put it into my bowl. All right, so my cream cheese is added into my bowl. I'm going to go ahead and open up my chicken cans, and then I'm gonna take a knife and shred it up even more. Fun tip, sometimes if we get a rotisserie chicken and we have some of that left over, I'll shred some of that up and put that in chicken salad. Or if we grilled chicken breasts and I have some of those left over, I'll shred them up and use those instead of canned chicken. The fresher, the better. All right, so now I have my chopped chicken and I'm gonna dump it into the bowl. And like I said, I prefer using fresh over the canned. I didn't make any chicken last night, so here we are. So now that that's in there, it's time to add the mayonnaise. I'm not a huge mayonnaise fan, so that's kind of up to you how much you would like. I like to just do the cheese, cream cheese and the chicken, and a little bit of pepper. Sometimes I'll add cranberries and walnuts to mine too. So you can really spice this up however you would like. My husband likes celery and onions, so it's just entirely up to you. So let's go ahead and start mixing this together. This is my chicken salad all mixed up. Again, it's super easy. It's just cream cheese, mayonnaise, and chicken, whether you use canned, fresh, however you'd like to do it. Again, I add pepper to mine, and my husband adds celery and onions. Usually when I make this, if we're having like a Christmas party or something, I'll add cranberry and walnuts. It is entirely up to you. But right now it is ready to be served with crackers or bread. This is also really good if you have a picky eater at home. The cream cheese kind of helps hide the taste. So they're not necessarily tasting the chicken or any other things. So yeah, I hope you make it and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. I miss you guys and I hope to see you soon. Bye.